How to turn off suggested videos on TikTok that you might like. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open TikTok on your device. Log into your account and click on your profile at the bottom right. Then click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen. In here, scroll down and you'll find settings and privacy. Click on it. Now in here, simply click on notifications. After notification is opened, scroll down in here. Scroll down and you'll find personalized post suggestion. In there, you'll find post you might like. Simply click on the button and turn it off. Make sure the white circle is on the left side. And this is how to turn off suggested videos on TikTok that you might like. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.